Oh, is that right? No. Oh, yeah? No. You don't bite me. What's your problem, huh? Oh, yeah? You don't bite. No. Oh, yeah? What's your problem, huh? Oh. No. No. You don't bite, Mila. What's your problem, huh? What's your deal, Mila? No, now you're gonna hide out or what? Oh, just grabbing something to chew on. Good girl. What are you gonna do? Huh? Oh, you coming back for more? You don't want it. Yeah. Oh, what are you doing? Digging at the couch, huh? What are you doing, huh? What you dropped something under there?
Finally, they nailed it. Taste the great steak in Taco Bell's amazing new Cantina Steak Burrito.
You're a good girl.